Now let's consider a different scenario. Now we're going to make it from scenario A to scenario B. Everything stays the same except for one thing. We're going to have a subsidy. Government subsidizes $5,000 per farmer. You know, this is an economic model. It's not reality. And so the government gives each farmer $5,000 instead of based on how much acres that they plant. If we started looking at things like acreage each farmer does, things get messy, but you still get the same general result. So now something's changed. Now government gives farmers $5,000 if they farm. And so we started off at a point where subsidies were zero. The benefits from farming was $40,000. Benefits from working in industry was $40,000. So people are indifferent between farming or working in industry. Now, government gives a subsidy to people who farm. And so now, not surprisingly, people want to farm. The benefits to farming have now gone up to $45,000, whereas the benefits of being in industry is only $40,000. And the same story we told before starts to take place. People now want to farm, so people come to the landowner saying, "You people were giving you $5,000 for rent, I'll pay you more." So they bid up the price of land. Maybe the price of land, rent of land goes up to $6,000. Land rent, $6,000. And when land rent goes up, the benefits from farming still go down. The benefits of farming still goes down, but the benefits from farming is still greater than working in industry. So more people come and want to farm. And the price of land goes up. Now maybe it goes up to $9,000. Land rent's $9,000 now. The benefit from farming goes down, but the benefit from farming is still greater than the benefit from being an industry salary. So more people come to the landowner wanting to farm. They bid up the rental rate of land, and finally they're going to keep bidding it up until land rent is $10,000, making the benefit from farming $40,000, exactly equal to the benefit from working in salary. And now people are indifferent between farming and working in industry. So what this tells us is that in scenarios like this, when you have fixed crop land and all farmers are renting land, then all government subsidies given to farmers are going to go to landowners instead. Now what if someone both owned land and rented land? Or suppose there's a farmer who owns her land. Well, in that case, when the farmer gets a government subsidy, their income goes up, but their income goes up not because they are farmers, but because they own land. And in this case, what we see here is that the government subsidies for agriculture go to landowners. And most agricultural economists will tell you that may indeed be the case. And certainly not all subsidies to farmers go to farmers. A lot of them go to landowners.